Soo-chan, what have you got? A sweetie. A gummy. It's a Haribo gummy. What we going to make later?
Toy.
A toy, yeah. Going to make a cute toy. It's dark in here. Yeah.
Can we start light?
Action.
Mommy, Captain.
Okay. Right, you get all cozy.
Let's push the toy box.
We'll get the toy in a minute.
Now. Closer.
Closer, closer, closer.
Closer.
Closer, closer.
Closer.
Here. Let's make a toy.
You get the toy box.
I'll go and get a toy. Yeah.
And I will just chill out for a little minute.
You'll just chill out for a little minute. So today we're going to make a one-piece toy, Puramo. I've never made this before. Have you made it before? No?
I guess I did.
You did?
A long time ago when you were a little girl.
Oh, okay, a long time ago. So today we're going to do chopper.
Chippy.
Is he a reindeer, Soo-chan?
Yes. Now let's open it.
Yeah, so there's a lot of different things we have to do.
This helmet.
I'm not sure what that is. I think that's part of his robot. Oh!
Look his leg.
It's your boot. Oh, yeah.
Mommy, it's his eyes.
Yeah, those stickers are his eyes, yeah. Okay, so
Let's make it.
let's make it. So everything is in plastic. Yeah, so first let's get the instructions. Oh, thank you. Ooh. Interesting. But this one is good because it says you don't need glue, you don't need tools, you just put it together. So let's have a try.
Mommy, this is from the track.
Oh yeah, I think that part is for his yeah, that's it, his robot window.
So you can see.
So it looks like there's quite a lot of things to do. Start applying stickers first. Oh, so we should do the face first.
Okay. Face.
Right, so there are the stickers.
Mommy, this is
A.
mouth.
No, you don't need that. A2.
Why?
2. A1.
Mommy, why does it have an angry face?
I don't know.
I don't
So-
want Chopper to have an angry face.
Okay, we need to find his face first.
Face.
Can you find his face? Ah! Here! Oh, okay. Look, I did it. I've got a wee face. Let's do the happy eyes, the happy face first. The face like this.
Good.
Oh, that looks good. Show me. Oh, too close. Yay. That's cute. We've done the face.
Now, body.
We need to put its antlers on in its hat.
Yes.
Yeah, ah! Where's he gone?
He's right here.
Is he right here?
Good.
He's tiny. Are these green lines? We need to put the green lines on his hat.
I want to.
You can do it. Can you put it on his hat?
Can we get the helmet off and on? Can we do that?
I'm not sure. Maybe not. Oh, wait a
Can you
minute.
just check. Why do you get two hats?
I think it's 2 halves, so when we stick it together, it will make one hat. A223. Oh, I found it! Da 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 da.
Is that his body?
No, it's his antlers. We're going to do his body in a wee minute.
Where's the two antlers?
Right, how do we do this?
I can't do it now.
May I have the face, please? So it's going to go in like... Oh no, that's wrong. Hang on. Right, no, wait.
Antlers first.
Antlers first. Yes, you're right. Mummy's wrong. Woo!
Now head.
He needs a sticker. I think he needs a sticker in the front of his hat. He needs his cross.
Where's his body?
It's coming.
Sheila. Means sticker. In Japanese.
Ah, Shiru.
Sheila.
Okay, we have a face, finally. So now we're doing his body. There you go.
That looks like E.T.'s body.
E.T.'s body?
Yes.
Yeah, a wee bit.
Mommy, what does Chopper like to eat carrots? Because he's a reindeer.
I think he will like carrots, yeah. Okay, his body's being made. So we have to put his head on the top. That's good. So there he is.
Me.
Yeah, his body's a wee bit, his head. So I made a mistake. Not reading the instructions properly, so we're going to just fix him so he'll be okay. Yeah? Right, so A11. The very first piece I forgot. Take it apart. Here you go. Can you look after it for me, please?
Yes, aye, Sir Perpy.
Chopper!
Ready.
He's ready. Yay! There he is. It's a happy Chopper, not the scary one. So I'm going to start making the vehicle or robot thing part by myself. So-chan's in the kotatsu. She's tired. Have you got Chopper? Yeah, good. Yay! Oh, the blue bit. The blue bits now. Yeah. Look what I've done so far.
Wow.
Is that good? Yeah.
No, Mummy, it's not finished though.
It's not finished, but it's nearly finished. Yep. Okay.
Just wait a minute.
Is it okay if I do a little bit more?
It's not fine.
Okay. I'll try to go my fastest. I think once you get used to it, the numbers and the instructions, sometimes they're not super straightforward, I think. Yeah, once you get used to it, yeah, it's pretty easy. Clearly, because it's for kids 8 years old and above. It's pretty cool. It makes you feel like you're making something. Kind of. Although most of the work is done for you. I think when I was a child, I would have loved this. We didn't really have stuff like this in the UK, so... Okay, now I'm doing the robot arms, so I need...
It's 20. Do you have to?
I need 20 actually, you're right. Soon I need 20.
I think it's gonna catch a baddie.
Is it gonna catch a baddie? Right, I've just got a few more bits to go. Yeah, I'm just making some robot arms. Okay, let's put it together. Arm. Do this way. Arm. Arm. Cool. Kawaii. Okay, we're finally ready to put Chopper in his little robot. Yeah. He's ready! We made Chopper!
Yeah!
Finally! How long did that take?
It doesn't take so long.
It did. It took a good hour and a half. Nearly. An hour and 15 maybe? Wow! Sugoi.
Can I pick up something?
Don't know. I can try. Should we play with him?
So saying hello.
Hello. Yay! There he is.
I'm Chopper. I'm getting out my robot. Can you get out his robot?
Yeah, you can get out his robot. Oh,
Okay.
his head. That's okay. It was quite fun to make it. A bit time consuming. But I suppose it's about making it. It's about enjoying making something. It's not about just making the end product. Obviously, it's a bit hard for a 4-year-old, even just to watch me do it the whole time. But I think she quite likes it, so. I don't really know One Piece that well. I just know a little bit. I know a few of the characters. I wouldn't say I was a big One Piece fan. Yeah, but I think we'll do it again. It is pretty fun.
So.
Oh, Rocky's here. What's he doing?
He's trying to fix the robot.
Oh, I see.